Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a cover photo or banner on YouTube mobile in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on View Channel. After entering your channel, tap on the pencil icon. To add a cover photo or banner, tap on the camera icon in the top right. A pop-up will appear, showing you two options. First is Take Photo. You can take a photo using the camera and upload it. Second is Choose from your photos. If you have a photo in your gallery, select that. I have a photo in my gallery, so I'll select the second option. From here, I select the image. Now adjust the image as needed. After adjusting, tap on Save in the top right corner. Wait a little, and your cover photo or banner will be updated. And that's it. How to add a cover photo or banner on YouTube mobile. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.